Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to sign in your Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. First of foremost, you need to open your Just Eat app, and once you open your app, you will end up in this kind of page where you need to simply tap on the settings option. So once you press the settings option, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is press on the login button. So once you press on the login button, you need to simply continue with your mail or continue with your Facebook account. So just simply fill in the Ask credentials and press on the login option. So after you do so, you will get successfully logged in into your Just Eat app. So this is how you can sign in into your Just Eat account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.